how to pay with PayPal on AliExpress. So if you want to quickly learn on how you can pay every penny on AliExpress with a PayPal, then this video is for you. So to start things off, first of all, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating an account. So without an account, you can't really access the PayPal function. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to AliExpress. Like even if I were to give you an example, you can go on any product. Like let's say I'm going to go on this product, right? So I'm going to load it up over here. If I go on buy now, you're going to see that it's going to give me to sign in. So just go ahead and register. Now the registration process is pretty simple. We're going to click on register. Okay. And we are going to go ahead and add our account. So I'm going to do that, continue. Then it asks us to add a password. So I'm going to add a password and now I'm going to go ahead and register. Now, once you click on register, it's going to ask you to verify things. So once the verification is done, you're finally going to register things. And once everything is done, your account is going to be set. And let me show you what it's going to do and where it's going to take you. So it's going to basically show you this, where it's going to send a verification code to your AliExpress, okay? And you're simply going to go ahead and enter that verification code real quick, just like this. You're going to click on verify email. Now, once you click on verify email, it's going to register you properly, full-fledged. And here you can see you are good to go. So now you have an account on AliExpress. So now let's go ahead into the product that we want to buy. So I'm going to go with this. I want to buy this Lacoste, cardigan shirt. I really like it, so I'm going to go with this. And once you're over here, you're going to click on buy now. Now, once you click on buy now, it is going to bring you here where it's going to give you this AliExpress shipping address, etc., etc. Now, it's going to give you all these different payment methods. So you can either use cards, then you have Ideal, then you also have Ban Contact. Now, the thing is, it depends on your region. Now, if you really want to pay with PayPal, you're obviously going to want to keep a region that's available in PayPal. Now, in my region, PayPal isn't available, and in your region, if it isn't available either, you are going to need to use a VPN. Okay, that is something that a lot of people don't discuss, and that is something we need. So let's say I'm going to connect a VPN for the US. So I'm going to just turn it on real quick. And once the VPN turns on, I'm simply going to go ahead, reload the same page, okay? And once you reload the same page, what that is going to do, or what that's going to cause, is it's going to reload the whole payment block, and you are going to see that it's going to give you a PayPal checkout. So once your VPN is on, just go ahead and reload this page, okay? And once we reload this page, it's going to load things in. And obviously, it's going to take into contact that the store that we're on, or the AliExpress store that we're on, is in rupees, not in dollars. Now, in the case that it still gives you the store in your natural currency, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and make an account and change your location, okay? Or maybe add PayPal as your payment provider in your actual wallet. So basically just load things in. And obviously, once you create an account with the servers in the US, you're going to get your PayPal payments over here. And even if you check the AliExpress payment methods, you are going to see that AliExpress does full-fledged support PayPal, okay? So we're going to go into AliExpress payment methods, and the first thing it shows you is PayPal. Pretty incredible, right? So even if I go into images, you're going to see in its payment methods, if we open it up, you're going to see the cards. So you see Visa, you see Web Money, and then right under this, you're going to see your PayPal. And here, same card, PayPal, Ideal, and all these things. Same over here. So you're simply going to come over here with the correct region. Once you come over here, click on View More, and you're going to find in PayPal, place an order, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.